Good morning, you lovelies, and it's a Saturday morning, and it's not actually morning, it's already past 12. But we are going to Moshini. I'm not sure exactly if I'm pronouncing it correct or no, but then there's a place where there are huge outlet malls, and we are once again going for shopping. And there especially we are going to Primark, and there's also TK Maxx, but we are not sure if we are going to go to TK Maxx, but we are going to Primark. We wanted to explore this shopping mall because we've never been there before. But yes, we've already reached the tram station and we are walking towards the mall now. But having said that, guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing extremely fine, and let's just walk to this mall. But before that, guys, you have to enjoy this beautiful time lapse which I shot from the tram that we just boarded. And I actually shot this from the last seat of the tram, and it was very beautiful too. I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy. Just have a look at it. In case if you guys are new here, my name is Saili and I make videos related to travel in Poland and things about Poland. So it's basically lifestyle, travel and experiences about Poland and wherever we go to places. And today we are at this Moshini Mall. It's right here and it's quite windy. It's quite windy, the weather, and one side, just look at this, one side there are a lot of clouds, and the other side it's totally clear. Let me just see, it's totally clear on this side, but whereas on this side you can see there are a lot of clouds. Okay, we have to go from here.
That is the main entrance.
Okay, this is the back side, I think so. Yeah, but then it's very cool, and the tram stop was just 2 minutes away from this place. But yes, let's explore this Galeria Moshini, and let's see what it has to offer us today. And the temperature, if I'm not wrong, it's around 8 or 9 degrees. It's quite chill, but then there's on and off kind of sun also, which gives a little warmth. And yeah, so we just entered here inside, and look at the queue at Primark. Let's see. Oh gosh, that's horrible, dude. I don't know by what time we will enter Primark, but just look at the queue, guys, for Primark. It's like almost 200 meters queue. I'm not sure how long that is going to take us to enter Primark, but let's see. We will. I think Ketan, what should we do first? Should we just go around the mall and then wait in the queue, or I think we should go for Primark first. Yeah?
I have never been.
Yeah, any which ways we know all the other stores, but Primark we have never been there. Just wait, I'll just look at this. It's a Sheeny store here, Sheeny Vogue Live, but then this is so cute. Stuffed toys, avocado and bananas stuff. See, I'm not going inside because it's going to take a hell lot of time. I'll just go around here. And then there's Flying Tiger. This is like a huge mall, and I've never been to such a huge place before. There's flying tiger here. And I'm not going further because Ketan is waiting there in the queue. And I think I should also wait with him. And if time permits and if things go well, we will also explore the other stores here. But then let's see. Our target for today is Primark and not other stores. Praise us for waiting in this hell of a long queue. Okay, so this didn't take a really long time. It's like 10 minutes.
15 minutes.
Okay, we waited for in this queue for 15 minutes, but then here the queue is splitted into 3 queues. So there's one, this the one that we are standing, the second one here, and there's this third one here to get inside. But let's see how much time this takes now. And finally, after another 20 minutes, we have got inside Primark and we are beginning with our shopping. And looks like we've got some great handbags. Look at this, super cute, and those backpacks. Oh my god, I'm just going crazy over all these stuff. It's a lunchbox. Yes, a potter head.
Diary one hai. Look at this diary.
So beautiful, yeah. There's another one here also, but there are wands.
What is that?
No, it's a pen. And this. Guys, just look at this cute little stationery stuff. I mean, they're so cute. Let's buy this, Ketan. Let's buy this for Avni.
Okay.
Yeah?
Fire.
I think it's an eraser. Yeah, it's an eraser, but then it's in unicorn. I'm sure she's not going to use it, but then she loves unicorns. Oh, this is so cute. What's this? Hold this camera. Hold this. Let me see what's this.
The drawing book.
It's a coloring book. Okay, it's plain. This is of no use for her. It's a plain drawing book. It's not a coloring book. Come here.
Exfoliating glove. Oh my god. Can I take a avocado shower?
Okay, so we are almost done with my side of shopping, and Ketan says this is my birthday shopping, so we've shopped a lot. Ketan, show our bag. Yeah, see, that's only my stuff inside there, but we are going upstairs now, and we are going to see, I think, yeah. Oh, there's a women's section here also on the upper side, on the first floor, and we are going to see some stuff for Ketan as well. So as of now, our shopping is going great, and it's a great place to shop. Feels like, oh, I would find my head towel here because there's bathrobe and stuff there over there.
Okay. We'll do first.
Okay. So first for your shopping,
No, first yours. Okay, first mine. Okay.
let's go then. Chal, give me that bag and you start checking out whatever stuff that you like. There na? Actually चांगलं आहे.
Try करणे बघू.
हाँ बघ ना घे ना and just try one of these plain shirts, t-shirts also.
They hate we.
Okay. There's a good collection. I mean, I like the men's collection more. I mean, lot of variety here. See, yeah, bomber jackets also. Look at the price tags also, guys. I mean, so inexpensive. I mean, this is absolutely affordable. And the, I mean, it's so inexpensive also, and the prices are also so low that and comparing the prices with the quality is like really great. I mean, it's really great. Just Ketan, look at this one, right? The
one?
California, yeah. Why? Okay. And there's good stuff here. Like, seriously good one. Just look at this one, the Norway, Oslo. Yeah, this one. Just open it and check it out, no? Yeah, see? There's Marvel hoodies. And you will be surprised to see the price. Just 60 is worth it. This is how much we have already.
This much.
Yeah, it's a lot actually, and there's a queue here also. It's a long queue. So there's quite a long queue just to get inside the trial rooms, and it's quite huge like you just saw. And let's see, we've got a lot of stuff already, and it's going to take, it's already 2 hours for us being in Primark. And now let's see how much time is it going to take for us to just try on our clothes, and let's see if all of them fit well or which one. So it's almost 4:15 now, and we are literally drenched. We have no energy left, and the queues here are horrible. It's the worst part of Primark, I must
I guess
say.
that is because of the like stores are opening almost after one or 2
Yes,
months.
actually, not 2 months. It's almost 3 months that the stores have opened up,
Correct.
and I think it's because of that. And also there are, since Primark is like a huge store here, and most of the
And there's
people.
only one shop Primark.
Yeah, there's only, if I'm not wrong, don't quote me on this, but as far as I know, there's only one Primark in Warsaw. There's no other stores for Primark. But then yes, it's like there's a huge line for the cash register also, and it's another 15 to 20 minutes for sure. So let's see, and we'll wait in the queue now.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too, Davasanya. Just look at this toy store. So pretty. we are not going inside, but then from outside we can just take a glance. That whole section is for Lego. It's a very huge thing over here. And pretty. So this is our lunch box. We've got the a la carte food today, and yes. So our shopping from Primark is almost done now, and since this video was particularly for the Primark shopping, and so I am going to end this vlog here, but there are many more stores that we are going to visit now. If possible, I will try to shoot there, but I'm not very much sure. But I think this is it for the video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video, shopping video of Primark, and let me know in the comment section below if you want to see the shopping haul of the Primark and of all the other stuffs that I'm going to purchase now and the ones that I've already bought yesterday. So let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be excited to make a haul video for you as well. And having said that, guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, you guys take care, bye bye, stay safe, and take care.